Each one of these workouts has been programmed with the intention of being something anyone could complete in their own living room, aka without any sort of equipment at hand. We will at times recommend the use of household objects like sofas and chairs, or suggest trying to get outside to run. But for the most part, everything is doable in the comfort of your own home. Each workout should take about 30 minutes in total, starting with a guided warm-up. After the warm-up of the day, the workouts will often move into some sort of superset, combining different movements, providing instructional videos for students and athletes to then be able to work through the superset at home, outside, or anywhere on their own. Each one of these workouts will conclude with a finisher. Finishers will take roughly 10 to 20 minutes based on what the workout is, and like the entire program can be done purely body weight. For students or athletes chomping at the bit to add a little bit more intensity, they can certainly add in some equipment and follow along with some of the suggestions we provide so that they can add in some weight, either with a household item like a backpack or some equipment they might have laying around the house. Each finisher will provide an opportunity for students and athletes to log their time or their score, making it a great program for any teacher or coach looking to track the progress of their students, whether they are at home, outside, or on the go.